Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm gonna be making grilled cheese today because I'm hungry and maybe you want to know too. It's very easy by the way. Now we gotta have a cutting board, very nice one. Turn on your gas by the way if you have a gas stove. This is one requirement. Okay, we got a beautiful bread. Hallelujah! I don't care. I'm not gonna put sound effects because I'm too lazy to edit this video. Might edit it, but okay. Now get any cheese that you like and just spray it down. Make sure. Now I'm using shredded cheese because why not? I don't really care. Shredded cheese is delicious though. Okay, now you can eat grilled cheese by itself, but I normally like to have some protein, basically meat protein. So I got me some sliced ham, or basically that. Maybe actually no, sliced, kind of like bacon. Just put it on here, slice by slice. Put as much as you want. Well, you can use sausages as well. Sausages are okay to use, I guess. Okay, now don't put in a lot. Now you're gonna put in some more cheese on top, just to cover the layer. Now while you're doing this, also turn on your gas stove or electric stove, whatever, so the pan will lit. This is annoying. Okay, now put it at the minimum because you don't want to burn your sandwiches. So you just put some cheese. Maybe put a lot. I might have put a lot, but I don't care. Now you use the other bread and you slap it. Slap it just like how Phil Swift does it. And I'm not gonna edit that as well because I'm too lazy to edit a lot. I'm just gonna oh. Yeah. Good boy. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this in the fridge, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm back. Now the pan should be heated up. We open the pan up. If it's electric, it's basically the exact same thing. That's why I'm putting it at noon. Now you might want something to. So I'm gonna use a fork. Grab it. Okay. Just gonna put that. And we just cook it for a while. Keep the fork. Maybe, don't know. Actually, don't keep the fork. Okay. I'll be right back when the grilled cheese is finished. Okay, so while I was going over this video, I realized that there was needed a tip. So, here's a tip, okay? Now, don't complain me in the comments that I don't put this edit in. Jesus Christ. Oh yeah, just forgot. Flip the pan as well. It's a very good idea. I have to say that. Yeah, just that's it. Ha 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 ha. Anyways, let's go to the finish line. While I was making the tips recording, I kind of burnt it. So now I have to do it all over again. Well, without notice, back to the video, I guess. Just cut it, or you can just eat it as a whole. I prefer cutting it in like one half, but in triangles. And then, bon appetit. Now, I'll be right back for a second. I'm gonna go wash the knife. Okay, so I got me plate, and let me put my. Don't worry, it won't be that hot, I guess. Yeah, the grilled cheese doesn't get hot. It's just the pan. So now we're done. Bon appetit, gamers. Why did I say gamers? Whatever. But thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please consider subscribing down there. Yeah, I'm not gonna do the hand gesture. Too lazy. But if you do like it, please consider subscribing. It will help me a lot and I will appreciate it. See you guys next time.